So, we're back up here today.
We are.
Lisa's gonna be working on all these staples all the way through. There's a row of them. Here's another row of them going this way. So, she's gonna work on that while I'm a mowing.
He's gonna mow today.
Yeah, because it's hot out there.
It is hot. And he's already changed a couple tires this morning, so.
Yeah, we mounted some different tires on it for a trailer, so that was out in the heat.
Yeah.
So, got sweaty once already, so I'll go do it again so she doesn't have to.
Yay.
Yeah.
Yay me.
So, anyhow, we're at it.
We're at it.
It's looking different.
It is.
He's just talking. We hadn't seen this room in the house like this since we bought the place. We've had stuff piled in here.
Yeah.
Because that's what we do, is pile
And
stuff.
It was some of the ones who had been with us for a long time remember the day when it was so dark in here.
Yeah.
Big fireplace here.
there.
It was really dark. Dark paneling on it, and the carpet was 1985
Gold.
goldish brown colored carpet,
Yeah.
and
That still looked good.
the walls were dark.
Yeah, dark paneling.
Everything was dark.
Yeah.
Looked so much different.
And there was no lights up there where there's going to be now.
And if you haven't been with us, go back and watch those videos
Yeah. Do
from the
that.
start and see what it was like. It's a big change.
Big change, yeah.
Yeah.
We've walked around this morning and looked back in the bedrooms and stuff, and it's kind of nice. We had a plan in our head since we bought the place a few years ago, but it's kind of nice to walk through and actually see walls where we was kind of thinking about stuff being all along where we imagined it.
Yeah.
But
So now we're already talking about doing things outside.
yeah.
Making plans for that.
Next year's the outside year,
Yeah. So
which I'm ready for that.
we are for sure looking forward to
I'm
that.
tired of this game in here.
We're ready to get this done and finished
Yeah.
and probably move in for a while and see how we like it. But that's where we're at.
Yep.
We're gonna get busy,
Okay.
get it done.
You pull stables, I'll mow yard.
Okay, deal.
Deal.
Joe's back in from mowing, and now he's back at painting. Got all the staples pulled and got it cleaned up, and so he's putting a coat of paint on it.
Yeah, we are. It's gonna be all right.
Here's this room after it dried. Really soaked a lot of that up. We don't know whether we're going to go over it again or not, but I think we've decided not to, but you never know about us. Here's this floor. And here's this floor. This guy in here is doing some patchwork.
Filling a few of the bigger cracks a little bit before we come back through. There was a big gap between those two pieces. I mean, it was covered with a piece of trim before, but anyhow, I'm just filling that with mud. Got to come back through and tack some nails down, I see, along the way, but just filling a few voids.
Yeah. And I'm doing some taping. That's what I'm doing to help. It's called FibaTape, self-adhesive drywall tape. And it's not real sticky, but it's sticky enough to just stick to the drywall. You can see it right here.
I think it's going to speed this process up.
I think it is too.
Well, hello!
Thought I'd show them your handy dandy work.
It's not very dandy, and probably not very handy either. We are getting it.
Yeah.
So, Lisa has went around and taped with this stuff ahead of me. And I have in the past, well, I think the last few times we've sheetrocked, I got that green thing that I dump mud in and pull my
Mandolin.
tape through.
Yeah.
And cut it off and put up pieces I can handle at a time. And which was all right, but this is a lot better as far as getting this to, for me it is, because it's on there and I put my first layer of mud on and it doesn't take up much room, and you get in it, the mud just goes right through it too, so in a crack. So I don't know, I think it works pretty good, but it has saved me a bunch of time. It's made my job a whole lot easier. This room's coming around pretty good though. I mean, the sheetrock in here wasn't in bad shape. I went through and nailed some of the nails on in, and then we did go screw it all in tight again. So there's a lot of screws in it. But then where the paper tape that you run through the mud these didn't work near as good.
It's kind of slick like or something.
Yeah, slick and slide real easy, and it would then when it would get wet, it would kind of push out. It would kind of expand or something.
Yeah.
And
yeah, I remember that.
so this is a lot tighter. This joint's going to be able to finish a lot easier. And it's got, we're going to have to go over it a time or two, but instead of coming way out, and making a big long thing, it probably won't be that bad.
Yeah.
Just a lot tighter fit. I like it so far.
And this sheetrock that they have, they just glued it and staples where the seams are, but it didn't.
Yeah, there's
It
little
doesn't
nails
have-
in here.
Yeah, just every so often though, it's not
Yeah,
like it's on every stud.
Missed a screw there. Yeah. The worst part about it is there's a screw right there. You can't tell what's here.
Yeah, no,
It's blinding, like that screw.
yeah.
Probably missed a few more.
Sorry for the lighting in here. We don't have a light. And Joe's working in the
She
dark.
was apologizing to me, and I'm like, well, you can't help that. Why are you apologizing to me for that?
And no, I'm telling our peeps
Hey,
about our task at hand.
okay.
He's trying to seal it up because we could feel heat coming. That's where the marriage line is, and on this end of the house. And we thought we sealed that up under the wall, but I don't know. There's a lot of heat coming through there.
There's hotness coming through. Not for long though.
This up here was the same way. He's already sealed it up, so he said it immediately stopped the heat. We wanted to do this before we got ready to go home for the night. Get it sealed up. Make a big difference.
Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah, I don't feel it back here. That's more good.
Yay. It's a little satisfying seeing it getting covered over.
Yeah. It is. What's really going to be satisfying is when I see you doing laundry and hanging up stuff in here while I'm going in there to take a shower.
That's going to be satisfying to you.
Yes. Because we'll be done. I'm not going to mess around with these little satisfaction deals. I'm going to just jump right onto that.
This isn't real little. This is huge.
Yeah, it is.
Getting to this point.
It is.
So far, we're liking the woven stuff, aren't we?
Yes. I do like it.
Hopefully we don't come back in a day or two and it's laying on the floor.
Well, one thing I didn't like about the paper tape is joints like this where they're just, it's a butt joint. It's not the two edges that are, you know, crimped in.
Mm-hmm.
It was a higher, you had to build it higher, and you don't have to on this. I like that. I think it feels cooler in this room already.
Already, I do too. It feels cooler right here. I could feel heat earlier when I was just standing here. Yeah, I think it does too. And when I walked into this closet to put the tape on the wall, I could tell a difference.
Uh-huh.
And I could really feel it. And I thought it was just where you had been mudding in here and it was a little humid. But I don't think that's what it was. I think it was the heat.
Problem there to deal with, but deal with it another day.
Yay!
Yeah.
Remnants of the linoleum.
Yeah.
It is glued down though. Sticky. We had to use a multi-tool the last time in the kitchen. I think that's how we lost Roger the last time.
It is.
Rest in peace. R.I.P.
Yeah. Roger was a good friend till he wasn't.
Well, I moved. Joe got the floor done. It dried for the most part. So I moved what I could in on it. I was gonna move that to the other room. So that'll be good. That'll be that much out of the way.
There.
Yeah, that opened it up quite a bit. So now I should be able to just kind of clean it up in here a little bit, and then I can start pulling staples and hopefully get that peeled up.
We should have kept them, all the staples.
It's a lot.
It was a bunch.
But it'll be nice to have them up. They're annoying little things.
Yep.
There's just a string of them all the way through. Several.
But it sure do look good without them.
It does. So much better. One step closer to getting flooring in. And
Yeah.
once we get the walls all done.
It's gonna take me a while.
Yeah, it is.
So we're not gonna bore you with all that. We may
No.
have some other videos of what we're doing.
Bits
Other
and pieces.
places.
Yeah.
And just bits of this. You can see how we're coming along on it. But
Yeah.
it'll be slow, I can tell you that, because I'm not very fast at it.
Yeah.
But I would also hate to ask somebody to do some of this.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, we could hire the rest of it done. Because this room and the bad walls in there I could do.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
I hadn't even thought about that.
Might be a good idea, huh?
Yeah.
If you haven't already, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Odd thing was, if you go back, you may not remember this if you didn't watch some of the first videos, but I found these in the floor over there under that bathroom.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Of all things. Why would somebody 30 or 40 years ago had a like and subscribe when they built this thing? Oddest thing.
Oddest thing. Okay.
Okay, dokie.
We're gonna say our goodbyes in case this is the last video on this one.
Goodbye. Farewell. Da, 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 da.
I like that. Good one. He's good. See you next time. Bye.